In this video, I'll show you how to secure cosplay wig. Firstly, the goal is to make your natural hair flat and neat under the wig cap. You can create small flat buns, pin curls or braids close to the scalp to keep using your hair in place. To slick back your hair, control flyaways, apply hair gel, and this is especially helpful for thin and short hair. Now, for long or heavily styled wigs, don't flip it over when putting it on. Instead, tie off any long hair with the ribbons and place it in a hair net to keep the wig out. Hold the wig over your head, starting from the front hairline, and slowly lower it down. This ensures you don't disturb any styling. Now, nod and shake your head to check the fit. If the wig feels loose or starts slipping, stop and start over. Don't assume it will stay in place as you go about your day. Ensure it's firmly secured from the beginning. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.